as you can probably hear, there is no improvement to the noise. From the moment I drove this car, it was clear it needed an aftermarket exhaust. It does sound pretty horrible. Have a listen. See what I mean? It's just horrible. It's a horrible, characterless drone. I'm sure they've done everything they can, but the dreaded particulate filters and Euro regulations have absolutely strangled this beautiful engine. How you can make a 4-litre flat 6 engine sound this bad, I will never know. On the overrun, it's quite horrible and drony. When you're accelerating, it's just not loud enough, it's not tuneful enough. I want to get a lovely flat 6 roar out of it. Now, I've taken my sweet time looking at exhausts. I've looked at loads, I've been offered a couple, but to be honest, I had to choose the right one, and I think now I have chosen the right exhaust for this car. And that is the first aftermarket exhaust that I have ever put on a car. My 355 Spider came with a tubey exhaust that was so loud it used to rattle windows in town centres as I drove by, and it also used to set off all the car alarms when I'd go into a multi-storey car park. So that one had to go. So this is the first time that I have ever actually modded any of my cars, and I realise it's quite cliched for someone on YouTube to put an aftermarket exhaust on their car, but in this case, this one case, it's essential.